Ringphawon da achu khamata ya paupi. Manipur Legislative Assembly Monsoon Session ni budget table sahaira. Manipur Tribal Research Institute mathada yengsang mi khawai ngakaw haira. Naga Solidarity Work li Tangkhul long nauping la changki da ngaran haira. Lekhyang Tor acha da Tangkhul Express Wipao Ringphawon Zimik in a pamidalay, Pauping may sign a nangrumsa. 12 Manipur Legislative Assembly with second session hapok the Speaker TH Sadhya Bradana question hour kwikada 2022 to 23 budget estimate ngasan hairo Education Minister TH Pasanda Kumar na kahang stately infrastructure kamatha aided high schools makada jishat leidale kala katamnaw enrollment kamatha aided high school kaika full-fledged government schools ngasang sa khawai ngarandale chia School Fagathansi Mission we Azingne Constituency Kachivu we aina worship Kanini Kapangkuya Kala New Education Policy NEP 2020 la implement Sahira the Education Minister na hanga Ka NEP implement chi state we ground reality attitude zadra the Pasanda Gumar na hanga Medical, Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. S. Ranjana Kahang stately COVID-19 cases chungsang da khlei wiwang ngaran kapai ngaran phokhairo surveillance aina testing sada khlei kala COVID patients ping wiwang bed mangachap khangasak medical oxygen lekhangasak kala COVID vaccination drive lungsang maida sangsak ta le kachi hi hanga COVID duties li shichin kahai contractual staff pingwi honorarium la achakum khayon December gachang aina tangda thermi haira chia specific identification numbers SIN mipok laga achakum tharau we aina mayo pay engage saga high staff pingwi honorarium la thermi haura the health minister china hanga Fishery Minister H. Dingo Singh na kahang Department of Fishery na state we khai ga kainaw pingwi wang PMMSY Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sabamda Yochna ina Lotak Livelihood Mission hapok hairo PMMSY hina khai shi khawai pam kasem Pukri kala bioflog units kasem hikatathali grants mia kala Lotak Livelihood Mission hina cage culture pen culture seed production units hikatathali khangachon mia Horthang State Assembly session ni Manipur Power Minister Thongam Biswajit na financial year 2022 to 23 we budget estimate table sahiro consolidated state fund we aina lupa 34,930 crore hi Zadakhle fiscal year wiwang shijin khawai propose sahira Fiscal 2021 to 2022 we budget estimate hi lupa 28,824 crore na Biswajit na budget estimate table kasa session chili finance portfolio kasinga Chief Minister and Biren Singh Mazangmana budget jiwe athishuda 2022 to 23 with total revenue expenditure hit 17,914 crore kara da chaktale capital outlay na lupa 9,272 crore kalapai chia revenue received lupa 24,447 crore kala capital receipt 9,252 crore the total receipt lupa 33,700 crore aina chaktale Manipur state we khalata with tax receipt 2,400 crore kala non tax receipt lupa 400 crore na chia Minister Biswajit na hangkajithe fiscal deficit lupa 2,748 crore shikal labai GSDP we 6.5% na 2022 to 23 we yang laga GSDP we aina total outstanding debt 37.92% sara da shankhui dalai Biswajit na kahang financial year 2019 to 2020 pay COVID mimau hagupok china stately merlak aina satsa hawa kala jiwe atamli resource receipt la tara ka suita hawa 2021 to 22 lila jiwe sa gzi thaipapama ang red chithada chatra haukada state we fiscal position le ka haptara ka raga haina da minister china hanga 2021 to 22 second half the Union Sarkar Waina resource transfer mathagasang Tangkhul Kalachi Kachungava personal income tax and corporate tax mathada ngashai kukhui wangna da hanga India we Sarkar le khangasan salaga state we economic growth mathasang shumra kachi shitsanga da hanga biswajitna jidada hangsanga Odyur aman tungsang la COVID-19 kagaza matai sanglala 2022 to 23 gross state domestic product ki lupa 42,301 crore kara da chihandale 2021 to 22 with GSTB lupa 37,760 crore na Manipur state with tax revenue mathasang mamandalay kachi hangda tax base tungsang khawai la tax miran makhami hi swita khawai state sarkar yang sangra da hang State we akamang kachi Tribal Research Institute le Manipur sarkar na mathada mayang sangkhami wiwang Tribal Research Institute TRI we maram chui Joint Action Committee JAC na maringapha phongshok haira JAC chuli CSO skala katamna long thrada khani ka da changa Manipur Tribal Research Institute 2007 kum hapok mi ka haina kha officials pingchina institute chiwi khamataya currently ning mutsu mimada tribal welfare projects darga gasa daraka masingka thuwada JAC china hanga e-welfare of tribals TRI Manipur officials pingna TRI joint director le chipada awi otngurut masang sakmana files awili varanla mawang sakmana da committee china kapishoka hangda khle chui shongjan khle kachi thei sa da committee china kahang TRI na rungmiran annual state level tribal festival singum phanga shika ka da masala ra hairo Manipur tribal now ping wiwang Ministry of Tribal Affairs weina TRI na fund chada mukhui mi mana State plan budget li TRI we fund chungmeng sakhawaila masamana Ministry of Tribal Affairs STs katamnaw ping li competitive examinations wiwang khalem aina coaching rungmi khawai fund la mapomi mana TRI na Rani Kaidin Liu Makhaning Tribal Heroes kati we maram research la masami mana Kala Tribal Society maramli research chungmei sakhawai da funds pomi kapaina kha MPhil PhD postdoctoral senior research fellowships hikatatha hi achara shungda offer masami ranga da JAC china kapishoka TRI's operational guidelines likazang TRI ji research positions tio makeup da thrada phanga hairan chila mahai memana da hanga TRI we joint director la regularize saplungra kachi hi hangsanga Manipur TRI we contractual joint director hi regularize sakhwai maram cabinet agenda sada ajakum changhai rasai ka achara shungda defer sara da leichia jiwe atamli TRI joint director we maramli makhamashung Kamang por papalaga makhangava organization akhana TRI joint director regularize kasali mamyamara kachi memorandum chief minister le misanghawa da JAC china hanga maram chi pen papa kachina da thar khamile mi ka haina da JAC china hanga Manipur tribal community le kapha khwira khawai tribal research institute china saran kasang saklo da ngakaw haira sarkar na mayang sang myakha protest or agitation hapokhara da JAC jina hangmathing haira Global Naga Forum na mokhok miki da khlai Naga Solidarity work le Tangkhul long naw ping na thanda shorokhui khwai ngoran ping haira Naga miyura kha atajan akha wiwang khokha kasa kachithe Naga Solidarity work chi akhama Nagaland we na chatphok laga tarik magada chiko thang Manipur Senapati le wagazip ngorokra kachina Tangkhul Naga long with Vice President, Tangkhul Naga Ungnao long with President, Tangkhul Shunao long with President Kala Ato Long Pang with Chairman la Naga Solidarity Work Haugupok Chili Wazang Kawai Kohima Wahira. Chili Tangkhul Ho Ho Nagaland we meet Zanda Mishakani Shikhole work Wahopok Gurumra, Dimapur Aina Patkai we Tangkhul Nao Pingla, Chithada Gohima Shong Aina, Watsat Pok Morogra the Hang. Senapati Aina Kato Maili Lader Clay Tangkhul Nao Ping, Shakani Hang Pangashika, Senapati Aina Karong le Rangurumra the Jihandale. ngaran nga ye sada khlei maram hi Tangkhul Nagalong Vice President Tuisem Kamkarana Pau Khamaya Thishuda ka hangna TNFO we azingle foothills villages we ainala work chile zangrogra kala TKLI aina TSLI we azingle Imphal gapam Tangkhul Naupingla work chi karong we aina hopogra da hanga ukrulaina kamjong song aina mi shakhani shikhana work chi sekmai we aina chatphok laga senapatili kagajip chile wangarumra da laya Naga solidarity work chile sharok khui khawai hanga hai ngoran nga ye chi long nauping TNWL TKS TSL TMNL long phang aina Tangkhul Nagalong changda semga hai Tangkhul coordination committee na Naga solidarity work na sakhamina atum Tangkhul ho Nagaland senapati ngurum long ta TKLI TSLI TNFO kala chingsho katam naw long le ngashi da ngaran ngaye sami da khaleina
HIV aibsi lambi mari khakta da miyoy amadagi amada sindoi
HIV positive oiba mama mapa dagi machada
sakhang da miyoy singa kondom yaudana yuman mari thamba matamda HIV sandoi
mi amaga yatum siren waiduna sizina bada HIV sandoi
ana layeng da ikap matamda HIV test to bali ikap labadi HIV sandoi
Chang naina amadi niyom chumna kondom season bana HIV dagi ngakthopon
sexual transmitted infection STI
haibadi pinungi laina dagi sungar thopongami
aduga angang pamdrabadi kondom sizinabiyo
HIV haiba virus asina mipung khudimagta sokhali
masigi namkhai leite chahi laining kanglup natraga nupa nupi angang khaidi
masina mi amadagi amada mathang sendopangam
aina dom singnari HIV test tongna bagidama
aina dombu singnari kondom sizina bagidama
aina dombu singnari nasabu HIV dai kanjanaba HIV AIDS ki maramda hena kupamorong khangnabagi damak
AIDS toll free number 1097 da phone tobi
English Hindi natraga Manipuri de wari saba yagani nako AIDS app su download tobiu amadi sizina view
Manipur 2017 to 18 we access grants lupa 1,870,269,000 legislative assembly pass sahara Chile State Legislature we 117,072,000 Finance we 1,399,847,000 Labor and Employment we 276,384,000 Textiles, Commerce and Industries we 55,708,000 Kala Sericulture we 22,158,000 Zanga. Bosem and Gosem examinations li Shorkar we worship na Mathada Makasa Maram Assembly Kakhane session hili MLA K Ranjit Singh na Hangsangda. Education Minister Tej Pasanda Gumar na ngahan kaka achiwi class 12 exam hili Shorkar worship we na subjects toppers tharada phanga shoka. Kala Shorkar worship we pass percentage la Matha mai haira kachi hangda class 10 aina class 12 exam thagi kachi pingwi wang special coaching rungmi khawai state Shorkar na khangran sadale House session chili Chief Minister N Biren Singh na the Manipur Appropriation number 3 Bill 2022 Bill number 11 of 2022 kala the Manipur Appropriation number 5 Bill 2022 Bill number 13 of 2022 la introduce sahara 12 Manipur Legislative Assembly second session ne governor na address Khamile opposition MLA K Ranjit Singh na ningyang mukhung phongshok haira Insurgents arrest kasawi case register sakahai machine magathai charge sheet katha cases hikatathawi machine mi sada khlai maramle hangsanga address chili kahang 2021 kum extremist shakhani thumrada mati arrest sai thrada phanga sathat NSA we azingne thrada mati arrest sa underground makuna hamsanga kala khutlai ngatete dana tukukhui machine hi hanga Ka insurgents we tungle FIRs kaya ka tha sangkhala kala mushun pichar kaya ka khira mishap charge sheet kaya ka tha sang higatha hi governor we address li mazang manada MLA Ranjit na hanga Shorkar na Manipur we insurgency problem solve sakhawai ngaruda khlai ngaruda lai kha government na chiwiwang kisali kichi khitui khala mazang manada MLA Ranjit na hanga Sarkar wi war on drugs maram le Ranjit na kahang campaign ji maling maying sakhawai MLAs hang thurugli war on drugs Jewi warrior sada kapang sanga kha phara Sarkar na nisha arya raile ngusunglela Pauli nishari tukukhui samphangphang chidale kala Manipurli shock khangai shock da khale drug issues wiwang kisara da lekhala governor we address chili mahangsang mana kachi hi Ranjit na hangsanga Nisha Lake Sapingni ND and PS Act 1985 we azing ne tandi khamili langmaida sakhamai shongran capital punishment kala life imprisonment higatha hi persi gaja drug related issues hi control sapai maira da MLA Ranjit na hanga Nisha Lake Sapingni shokarna kasaka shongran mapara kha war on drugs campaign hi arimang sahara da MLA Ranjit na hanga MLA Ranjit Li ngahan ka kasa da Forest Minister TH Biswajit na kahang Governor address li insurgency with teda psychora sangi kuchi ngorola ka insurgencies control sada central government na insurgency groups ping aina peace agreements shoi samamandalai kuchi hangda nishari kham khawai kasaliwa MLAs hang thuruk mangna warriors ngasaki kuchi maningla region now kuchi vuna nishale rai kasa hili shorokhui plungra da piswachi na hangsanga
Hoziki matamda mepung khodimak na hainari stay home stay safe wahai se magun dilei adubu wahai da magun leiragata yabasu natte oibe yai yum aduda magun leirabade mamangai dadi yum se yum khakta oirame hozikti office spa salon restaurant supermarket manamasingi kaitel angang singi school amadi football field punamak yum ngaktani hozikti yum danatana hairiba punamak sing sisu samely aduna yumbu yam section na sabiyu make cement ga loinana make cement take laroi da yum tat laroi da mari
Manipur na aya 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles we banquet hall le Kargil Vijay Diwas mayon haira Chief Minister N Biren Singh na maso sada wajanga Rural Development and Banjayati Raj Minister Yumnan Khemchand Singh aina Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr Sambam Ranjan Singh na wajanga Kargil Vijay Diwas hi kum kachi marang tarik makada thurok thang hi Kargil Raili India na khwi sam ka phangwiwang machut sada mayon chia Indian Raimina Kargil Raili Ping Banglak aina ngarami ka hai phaning ungda N Biren Singh na Raimi Ping Jili khaya kashi phongshoka Reikasang hakasang shongja khwiki da khlai hile khongnai naw changda kahab khara atam leira kala chuiwang khoka kasa hi mujat lakla kahab khara tharan ngusung shep khawai ngaran ping leplungra da Chief Minister Biren hang 3rd edition NITI Ayok India Innovation Index 2021 with Northeast and Hill State category li Manipur na top league zangwe Ringphawon phongshok da state we ministers MLAs kala officials psycho rele Chief Minister na maya khangai phongshok Shimla kachi India philan khangang rokwai har ghar tiranga campaign chatta khalejili yarina kotom da shorokhuida mai khaya aina India philanchi khangang roklo da Chief Minister na kasatsanga Rural Development and Banjayati Raj Minister Yumnam Khemchand Kargil Vijay Diwas we Kankhana Maram Phaichitheda Kargil Raili Indian Leha we aina Pakistani force le Thui Khangasak li gzang kapinga Indian forces pingchili khaya shingi ya kachi hi hangsanga Rani Chili Ministers MLAs Chief Secretary Director General of Police high-ranking civil kala police officials pinglawazanga Bishnupur Vakla District Administration Athanda Kargil Vijay Diwas mayon haira Rai Jili Mirin Chikat Mika High Indian Raimi Pingli Paning Khung Kala Khayakashi Sada Atumna Minat Khani Chingri Kahai Atam mayon Mia Latluida Achui Kamataya Pauping Manipur Legislative Assembly Monsoon Session ni Budget Table Sahara Manipur Tribal Research Institute Mathada Yengsang Mikhawai Ngakaw Haira Naga Solidarity Work li Tangkhul long naw pingla changki da ngaran haira Achu pau henang chang hairo pau ngana dak lei natum sai ko rele ring pha kala khama haya Zimik sho ngsa seran